As the topics are going on, according to that, you should prepare, okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't think that how much homework is given to you or how much time you are getting. No, all those things are secondary things. What you have to prepare for the final, think about that one. Okay? And what the problems are coming, just ask in the Google Classroom. The Google Java is there. Okay. So criteria for similarity of triangles we have to discuss about. Now, so before that, I would like to ask you whether you have done exercise 6.2 or not.
Yes, sir.
Done? Any problem comes? Any
No, sir.
problem in 6.2? Okay. So today's topic is criteria for similarity of triangle. This is given on page number 129 on NCERT book. It is criteria for similarity of triangles. See, as you have learned about the criteria of congruency of the triangles, according to that, we have some criteria of similarity of triangles. So what is the criteria? First two criteria we have seen in the theorem number 6.1. What was that theorem?
AB by DE.
First thing you keep in mind that when two figures, actually we have to discuss here for the triangles only. That's why we are making triangles. Size do not matters in similar triangles. Okay. Size of two triangles never matters.
Yes.
What matters here actually? Angles.
Similarity.
Angles are important. If corresponding angles are equal, ABC suppose, and suppose PQR, this is the triangle, and corresponding to A vertex in triangle ABC is P here in PQR, then angle A should be equal to angle P, angle B should be equal to angle Q. If B and Q are what? Corresponding angle, and angle R is equal to angle C, then you can say both triangles will be similar. Means what the criteria we got? Angle, angle, angle. Understood? Angle, angle, angle. This is one of the criteria. This is not the criteria for congruency. This is the criteria for similarities of triangles. Okay. And now this only criteria is also known as, do you know how this can be written other way? It is written AA similarity. What is AA similarities? Why it is written AA similarities? Because if two angles of a triangle is equal to corresponding angles of the other triangle, then third angle will also be equal automatically. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why all three angles are equal. It is not needed to write all the times. Clear? If two angles are equal, then third will be automatically equal. That's why it is written AA similarity. Second, AB equal to PQ is equal to BC equal to QR is equal to AC equal to PR. Means
Yes, sir.
ratio of corresponding sides are equal, then two triangles will be similar. We have seen that in the previous theorem. Okay. Hmm. Now, in this way, we have to uh, know about the theorem number 6.3. Okay. We have done it or not? Not done, na? 6.3?
Not done.
Okay. So what the theorem number 6.3 is saying is that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now these two criteria are combined in this theorem. Okay? This is saying that if this happen, this will automatically happen. If the ratio, oh, okay, no. First, if first criteria is matching between two triangles, then second criteria will automatically match. Understand? If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, if all angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Why not? This is one of the criteria of the similar triangles. Okay, and this is also one of the criteria of the similar triangles. So by first criteria, if the triangles are similar, then the second criteria will also match with that. But we have to show this. Now, how to write this? Using that way, according to the first theorem we have proved, we are just taking two triangles with equal angles, ABC, DEF, and we are just putting the smaller one on the top of the bigger one, so that one of the angle or the vertex of the one triangle is coincide with the vertex of the corresponding second triangle. So if you are keeping in this way, suppose this is the criteria up to this part, the first triangle is covering the second one. at point P and at point Q. So in this way, you can say that according to theorem number 1, 6.1, angle B will be equal to angle P and angle C will be equal to angle Q. According to the theorem, angle B is also equal to angle E and angle C is also equal to angle F. These much things are given. At least say yes or no. How can I know you are listening properly or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Communication should go on, na? So I am not going to write the statement of theorem. Just write from the book. So what is given here? Given here, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B, okay, not D here. Angle, okay, one writing. In triangle ABC, write like this, and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. This is given because it is written in the statement that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal. Okay, and how, what to prove? To prove AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by AC by. What will be there?
DF.
Hmm?
DF.
DF. Now, proof. Now just write according to the figure. According to the AB is equal to DP. Yes or not? This one is equal to AB. BC equal to PQ and AC equal to DQ. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle
DPQ.
DPQ. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
How, with which criteria? Side, side, side criteria. All three sides are equal. This implies angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle A is equal to angle P, angle
Sir, angle
B, D. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle Q.
Q.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, when two sides are, or what you can say, can you say this one? PQ is parallel to EF. Can you say this? Yes or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Why?
Sir,
Because from the first theorem, if three angles are no, what is that first theorem? It was of the ratio, na? It was of the ratio.
sir, angle B is equal to angle E as well as angle P.
These are the corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. That's why these lines are parallel. So you write this: angle P is equal to an corresponding angle E, and angle Q is equal to corresponding angle F. That's why these two are parallel. Therefore, we can write the ratio of the corresponding sides. Now,
Yes, sir.
dp by PE, one step is overlooked here. Okay, वो +1 ऐड करने वाला जो स्टेप था ना,
Yes, sir.
हाँ वो बीच में है, उसको लेके समझ सकते हो. एंड dq is equal to
QF.
qf. Or dp can be replaced by ab.
Yes, sir.
AB by PE is equal to dq can be replaced by AC
AC by
by
DF.
QF. Similarly, you can write, do directly, no problem. Similarly, AB by PE or AB by DE is first, AB by DE is equal to AC by DQ or AC by EF, you can write, or DQ by QF, DQ by DQ by DF also you can write. Na?
Yes, sir.
So we have used here AB and AC. AB and AC we have used. So we have to use BC first. So AB by DE is equal to BC by EF in this large rectangle. What? All be AB by DE. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF and is equal to AC by QF.
So not visible.
One more thing I would like, yes.
Not
Got
visible.
it? Not visible. Okay. So see, if these three are equal now, and AB by DE here, and what here? Here DE will be there, right? Here DE will be AB by DE. So AB by DE and AB by DE are at the left hand side. So all the right hand side will be equal. That's why all these three will be equal. So what I would like to say, exercise 6.3, 6.4, and all these proofs are for the motivation only. You have to remember the theorem. It will be not asked in the examination. These theorems will not be asked, but you have to know this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you see in the syllabus, you can download from the internet. Then some of the parts in the theorem it is written motivation. Now, so motivation means you have to remember that, you have to learn that, but it will not be the part of your examination. Okay. So depending on this theorem, you can solve many of the questions.
Yes, sir.
And theorem number 6.4 is also saying that if in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional, sides of one triangle are proportional means just the converse of this are proportional, the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar. So this is the criteria, side criteria, side criteria for the similarity. तो साइड क्राइटेरिया तो कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का भी होता है.
Yes, sir.
Those two triangles who are congruent, they are also of equality, and this is the symbol of equality. If two figures are equal and similar also, then it will be congruent. So those figures who are congruent must be similar.
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So what is the theorem number 6.4? Let us overview in fast way. This is one triangle ABC. This is second triangle PQR, such that, or DEF, such that is the given part. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Now, so what you need to do? The same thing. You have to match one of the vertex and this. Proportional. ठीक है. So all the corresponding sides are proportional to each other.
So
What we
your
have
video
to
is not
prove?
visible.
What we have to prove? Their corresponding angles are equal. Means angle A equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Okay. See here. Proof part.
Sir, your video is not visible.
Given. What is given? AB by BE is equal to BC by EF. Also, AB by DE. See here, PQ also you can write PQ. Or AB by PQ you can write or not?
Yes.
AB by BP is equal to AC by BQ is equal to BC by PQ equal to 1. Yes or not 1? Yes, there are more than 1 also. But because AB by DP, all these two sides are equal, na? So you can write equal to 1. All sides are equal. And DP by PE. DP by PE. Because it is given. DP by PE. Can you write this or not? Understanding or not? Let me clear. DP by PE.
Sir, your video is not visible.
DP by PE is equal to DQ by QF and PQ is parallel to EF. In the last part, we have seen that. Am I audible, students?
Sir, audible not but not visible.
Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir, but
Yes.
not visible.
Therefore, angle P is equal to angle E. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Angle Q is equal to angle F. Can you understand this? Why angle P is equal to angle E? Because
No,
these
sir.
two sides are parallel to each other. Okay. In the last theorem, we have seen that. This implies dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF and is equal to PQ by EF. And this dP, dQ and PQ can be replaced by AB, AC and BC. So just replace it. AB by DE is equal to DQ is equal to DQ is equal to AC. So write AC by DF and is equal to PQ. PQ is equal to BC. So write BC divided by EF. So I think also BC is equal to PQ. Why this is?
Not visible, sir.
What this is? Because the ABC triangle is covering this DEF triangle. This implies triangle ABC, triangle ABC is corresponding, congruent to triangle DEF. देखो बुक में थोड़ा डिफरेंट दिखा है, ठीक है? Book, in the book it is written DPQ. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Or you can write also, no problem. No problem. Suppose BC is equal to PQ and angle P is equal to angle B, angle P is equal to angle B, and angle Q is equal to angle C, and angle P and angle E are equal, angle Q and angle F are equal. So all the corresponding angles are equal or not? So here also you can write triangle DPQ. No problem. You can write it. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle E, or angle P, right? First, angle P, angle B is written as equal to, A is D, now always writing P. Angle B is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle Q. But angle P is also equal to angle E, and angle Q is also equal to angle F. Why? Because PQ is parallel to EF. This implies angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is also equal to angle E, and angle C is also equal to angle F. So in this way, it will prove. So I am showing you the proof. In the book also it is given, but it is for the motivation only. Or just see in the syllabus. Okay. So your homework will be today. How much question you will do?
All.
I'm just giving you one homework from my side here. Do theorem 6.5. Do theorem 6.5 yourself. Okay. Listening, students?
Yes, sir.
Himanshu?
Yes, sir.
Nobody is responding. What happened?
Nothing, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happened to you all?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir.
Are you listening my voice?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I think sound is not going.
Hmm? Am I audible or not?
Audible, sir.
Why you are switching on and switching off your microphone?
No, sir, I'm not doing
All
that.
switch on your microphone. Is there any problem with you?
Sir,
No,
your
sir.
video is not coming.
Just said.
Yes, students.
Yes, sir. Your video is not visible.
I'm talking to you. Is there any problem?
Sir, your video is not visible. It's paused.
Mansu Kumar?
Rashi. Number 9431.
Kasif Samar?
Yes, sir.
Aarti Kumari?
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi Kumari?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay.